you've got the BJP lashing out at Priyanka Gandhi, saying that Priyanka is in fact silent on Bangladesh, but is speaking out repeatedly for Palestinians, is pro-Palestine. Listen into what Anurag Thakur had to say.
भारतीय संसद में पैलेस्टीन का बैग लेकर आती हैं और बड़ी शान के साथ उसको लेकर फोटोशूट कराती हैं। ये अपने आप में दिखाता है कि श्रीमती प्रियंका गांधी जी जब से आपके चरण पड़े 2 हफ्ते तक संसद नहीं चल पाया, 140 करोड़ भारतीयों के मुद्दे नहीं यहाँ पर उठ पाए, और जब मुद्दे नहीं उठ पाए तो आप मुद्दा भी कौन सा उठाना चाहती हैं? पैलेस्टीन का, जबकि आप और आपकी पार्टी के नेता बांग्लादेशी हिंदुओं पर बिल्कुल चुप रहे। आखिर कौन सी मजबूरी थी कि पैलेस्टीन का बैग उठाना चाहिए? और ये केवल बैग ही मिला, कुछ और भी मिला।
Let's just highlight here, and you've heard this from multiple BJP leaders who've questioned Priyanka Gandhi, saying why is there this wave of sympathy for Palestinians and nothing for Bangladeshis? And we must put it out there that exactly today, while Priyanka wore that tote bag, the Palestine tote bag, she also spoke of Bangladesh today in Parliament, demanding that the government do something to protect Bangladeshi Hindus, to protect minority Hindus who are facing atrocities in Bangladesh. So she did speak about it today. The question remains, what prompted her to wear that bag as well? Maushmi Singh, who tracks the Congress for us, is joining us on this broadcast. Maushmi, you've got allegations flying in thick and fast saying this is vote bank politics by Priyanka Gandhi. But it comes down to why, Maushmi, why Priyanka Gandhi chose to send out this message, do this photo op with this Palestine tote bag today of all days, and that too in Indian Parliament.
Clearly, Akshita, you know, Priyanka Gandhi has been sending across the message she wants to convey through sometimes a jacket, sometimes a bag. Earlier she was carrying Adani and Modi's image with Adani Modi Bhai Bhai a few days back, and this time round she had Palestine emblazoned in a bag, tote bag that she was carrying, apparently was gifted by a friend. And Priyanka Gandhi, you know, usually MPs stay away from making statements on foreign policy matters and adhere to what the party line really is. But Priyanka, who is also a general secretary, has been putting out tweets about the humanitarian crisis in Gaza, talking about it and personalizing the tragedy as a mother, as a sister. So clearly this time around also she said that she chose to wear the bag, even as take the bag along, even as, you know, we asked her whether, you know, many MPs were saying that parliamentarians couldn't make a statement like that. She connected it to patriarchy and said that I won't let other people decide what I wear and not wear. That's my
but
personal
was this,
decision.
Maushmi, is this a Congress stated position? Like you mentioned previously also, you know, she's worn bags, masks or jackets, all of that with Modi Adani, but that was a Congress protest. Is this Priyanka Gandhi with the Palestine tote bag, or is this a Congress sending out a message?
I think Priyanka Gandhi really personalized that with her stand, you know, having met the representative of Palestine at her house a day back. She personalized it with a message from her, you know, message of peace. But more importantly, in the Congress Working Committee earlier, we did note, Akshita, there was, you know, a message condemning the humanitarian crisis in Gaza and the violence on both sides. And that's one reason that I say that Priyanka went a step further there, you know, taking that cause to the optics of it all.
All right. Thanks very much, Maushmi, for those details. We'll have to see whether tomorrow also we'll see Priyanka Gandhi there with this kind of a statement tote bag. And is this more about Priyanka's personal campaign? Is this a message she's sending across from the Congress? The BJP says it's all an attempt to woo the Muslim vote bank. That this is vote bank politics at play in Parliament.